here, चाहे कोई पार्टी हो, you have to change the nation. If a system is rotten, weed it out, get a new system in place. There is a constitution in place. There could be flaws with the parties, with the people, with the leaders. लड़ना तो पड़ेगा सर. अगर गलत है, देश में कमियां हैं, दूर करनी है. हम रोज यहां पे डिबेट करने आते हैं, इसलिए आते हैं कि कुछ निष्कर्ष निकले, लोग सुने, नेता सुने, पार्टियां सुने, एनालाइज करें हर पार्टी का प्रवक्ता बोल क्या रहा है, और एक एंकर बोलता है, आवाज मिलियंस पे जाती है.
Okay, let's go back to that fundamental question before we shift our attention to Bengal. Dr. Joshi, one last chance. One person was raided by the ED, Ashok Mittal. What explains the change of heart of others?
So far, to my knowledge, only 3 have joined. There is a list of 7, but only 3 have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. So one is Ashok Mittal, another is Raghav Chadha, third one is Dr. Sandeep Pathak. So definitely it's not a good news for us. I accept that. They were all important people holding important portfolios. So we will introspect, and the process of introspection is always a continuous and ongoing process. Nobody is denying that. But having said that, don't you see this as an assault on cooperative federal structure of the country? And shouldn't you be asking questions of Amit Shah and Nitin Nabin, because certain questions need to be asked, because this is
I asked that question of Guru Prakash. He represents the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's hear from him again. Guru Prakash.
No, Mr. Joshi, you are taking names as if you have evidences. I throw an open challenge to you tonight. You have taken names of Mr. Nitin Nabin and Honorable Union Minister Amit Shah. You have any ounce of evidence to prove any connection to Mr. Raghav Chadha joining of the Bharatiya Janata Party? Absolutely not. You cannot make false and fake claims here on Pranesh's show. You have to understand, you're a senior person, you're representing a political party, but on a prime time television, you're taking 2 names, the national president of my party and Honorable Union Home Minister, who have absolutely no connection, no relation whatsoever of Mr. Raghav Chadha and his group joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. How dare you? I am throwing an open challenge to you. If you have any evidence, even 1% evidence, 1% truth to your allegations, to your claim, show it on Pranesh's show tonight. आप प्रणेश के शो पे आप नाम ले रहे हैं, आप सबूत दिखाइए.
डॉक्टर जोशी,
अब जवाब सुन लो ना. गुरु प्रसाद जी, शांति रख लो. थम जाओ भाई, थम जाओ. अरे कुछ भी क्या बोलेंगे. नितिन नबीन कौन है नितिन नबीन? Who is Nitin Nabin? Who does the ED reports to?
No, ED report. नहीं बताइए सर. Who does the ED report to?
The director. Who does the ED report to? Who is Nitin Nabin?
नहीं सर बताइए ना. Who does the ED report to? I want to know. Who does the ED report to, sir?
Who does the ED report to, भैया? बताइए ना. Who does the CBI report to?
Dr. Joshi,
who does the CBI report to?
You tell me. We want to know. No, 1 minute. Does the ED come under the MHA? Dr. Joshi.
Who does the ED and CBI report to? बताइए ना मुझे. If not the ministers of Bharatiya Janata Party, who does the CBI report to? If not the Home Minister Amit Shah, who's Nitin Nabin? If not the acting president of Bharatiya Janata Party? Come on यार गुरु प्रकाश जी, थोड़ा थम जाइए. सत्य को स्वीकारने की
हिम्मत रखिए. Dr. Ranganathan, the ED is not even under the MHA.
Everything is under MHA in this government. यहाँ पे एमएचए के अलावा कोई मंत्रालय ही नहीं है भैया. सब कुछ हमेशा चलाते हैं. क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? आपको मालूम नहीं है? ये तो पूरा देश जानता है आज.
See, I'll tell you what. The point what Dr. Joshi is making, it stands. Yes, since 2014, the parrot has remained the same. The shoulders have changed. But the fact is, I asked Dr. Joshi again, please, do not try to act holier than thou. आम आदमी पार्टी उसी डाई में है जिसपे सारी पार्टीज हैं. आप अपने आप को अलग क्यों खड़ा कर रहे हैं? वरना मैंने आपको सारे नाम गिनाए डॉक्टर जोशी 15 बार. आपने खुद रीढ़ की हड्डी की बात करी. आप खुद अब अपने वक्तव्य से पीछे जा रहे हैं, वाटर आउटरी में इंडल्ज कर रहे हैं. आपसे सीधी सी बात है, आपने ईडी रेड कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के लीडर्स पे वो सपोर्ट क्यों करी थी? अगर आपको लगता है कि ईडी करप्ट है, ईडी मोदी की पॉकेट में है, तो खेरा साहब के साथ खड़े होना चाहिए था कांग्रेस के. तब तो आपने कहा लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स. व्हाई?
Dr. Joshi, quick answer.
What's wrong in that? But whenever the opposition leaders are being raided, we have maintained a clear stance. अरे रंगनाथन जी सुन तो लो यार. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप लोग है ना बस 2 वर्ड सुनते हैं और उसके बाद में आप एकदम से इतने उत्तेजित हो जाते हैं. थोड़ी शांति रख लीजिए. मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स. बट अपोजिशन रेड, all the opposition leaders are raided under a pretense that they are corrupt. But ultimately, what is the ultimate outcome? You yourself said that some of them come to the Dhobi Ghat and people with spine, they remain where
Dr.
they are.
Joshi, then the answer you should be not giving is that Aam Aadmi Party is no different from any other party. That Arvind Kejriwal is not what he used to be or claimed to be. Okay, let's.
I think really the award should go to Professor Monodeep Mondal. He has blurted out the truth. He's saying everyone is corrupt. Let us accept it.
He began by saying that Pranesh,
Let it
tonight
go
I am
on.
speaking. No, but Dr. Ranganathan, you missed the first part. He began by saying, Pranesh, I am speaking tonight as political analyst. I wonder बाकी दिन ये क्या कौन सा hat लगा के बोलते हैं. But that's okay. Professor Mondal, let's now shift our attention to Bengal.